Hi guys, got this Draper Expert Security 82 millimeter padlock here. It's get the camera to stop. Full of security pins, spools and serrated. 6-pin. I'll show you the bitting on this. So as you can see, the 6 is quite challenging how wide it is. So give it a go. Again, very light tension because we're dealing with serrated pins. Pin 6. Pin 1. Pin 5. Got quite a full deep set now. So I've only hardly touched these pins to get this full set. I say light, you really have to go with these serrated pins. Counter rotation on pin 3. So deep full set there. So it looks like we've dealt with all the serrated pins. We're just trying to find these spools. Again, counter rotation on pin 5. Feel like I may have dropped something there. Pin 6. Pin 1's okay, pin 2's okay, pin 3's okay, pin 4's okay, slight movement on 5. Definitely counter rotation on 5, so I've got a spool there. Drop one of my serrated pins, coming out the full set slightly. There we go, I've got that back. I like pin 6. One's okay. Oh, movement on 2, counter rotation on 2. Come on, you bugger. There we go. Drop one of the serrated because I've come out full set slightly, and there we go. And it's a open. That was the right bitch. Cheers guys.